Data tells a story, but only if you know how to ask the right questions. In the world of business, visualizations are not just about making data look pretty, it's about providing answers that drive decisions. In this lecture, you will understand the role of visualizations in answering business questions, learn how to align visualizations with specific decision making needs, explore techniques for creating targeted, impactful visuals. Visualizations are only effective if they directly answer important business questions. Without focus, they risk being confusing or irrelevant. Business questions give visualizations a clear purpose. For example, if the question is, why are sales declining? The visualization should show trends, regions, or products causing the drop. This clarity ensures the data serves its purpose. Visualizations should guide decisions. They must highlight specific issues or opportunities. For instance, a chart showing customer churn rates can prompt action to improve retention. Without addressing a question, the visualization is just noise. Creating visualization is like a detective assembling a clue board. Each piece of evidence, data point, is carefully selected and arranged to answer the question, who committed the crime? Similarly, each element of visualization should point towards answering the business question. Just as a detective's board solves mysteries, a well-designed visualization answers critical business questions with clarity and precision. The first step is to identify the specific business question your visualization will address. A clear question ensures that your visualization remains focused and relevant. For example, what percentage of our sales come from repeat customers? Visualization, a pie chart showing the breakdown of sales by new versus repeat customers. Without a clear question, visualizations risk being too broad or unhelpful. Each type of visualization answers specific types of questions. Line graphs show trends over time, for example, monthly sales growth. Bar charts compare categories, for example, revenue by product. Heat maps highlight patterns, for example, peak website traffic times. Scatter plots explore relationships, for example, marketing spend versus sales. For example, a bar chart comparing revenue across regions can instantly show which locations are performing well and which need attention. A visualization without context can be misleading. Always include labels, titles, and annotations to guide the viewer. For example, a graph showing a sudden dip in sales should include a note, such as holiday season or supply chain disruption, to explain the drop. This prevents misinterpretation and adds depth to the analysis. Visualizations should provide not just data but also direction. Ask yourself, what decision will this visualization help make? If a dashboard shows declining customer satisfaction scores, it might also include a breakdown of common complaints. This enables the business to address specific issues. Marketing. What is the ROI of our ad campaigns? Visualization. A line graph comparing ad spend to revenue generated. Sales. Which products are driving the most profit? Visualization. A bar chart showing profit margins by product. Operations. How efficient is our supply chain? Visualization. A heat map showing delivery times across regions. Each visualization tells a story that answers a key business question, ensuring data is not just observed but acted upon. Effective visualizations simplify complex data and make insights clear. Here are some key tips to create visuals that communicate effectively. Understand who will use the visualization and what they need to know. Tailor your design to answer their specific questions. For example, executives may want high-level summaries while analysts need detailed data. Select visuals that match your data and purpose. Use line charts to show trends, bar charts for comparisons, and heat maps to highlight patterns. Picking the right type ensures clarity. Avoid cluttering the visualization with too much data or unnecessary elements. Highlight key points and remove anything that does not add value. Simplicity helps users focus on what matters. Identify a business question relevant to a specific industry, for example, retail, healthcare, or finance. Design a visualization that answers this question and include a brief explanation of how it supports decision making. In summary, Effective data visualizations are designed to answer critical business questions. In this lecture, we explored the importance of defining questions, choosing the right visualizations, and focusing on actionable insight. With these techniques, you can ensure your visualizations drive meaningful decisions. So, what's the most impactful visualization you've ever seen? How did it help answer a question or guide a decision? Share your examples in the comment section. That was all about this lecture.